Here we have a fresh install of Windows 10. Let's install the PSWindowsUpdate module. With it, we can manage updates from within PowerShell. PowerShell Gallery is the central repository for PowerShell code. This includes both code projects from Microsoft and from the greater PowerShell community. Research PSWindowsUpdate and PS Gallery as needed, and agree to the prompt if you so choose. My current environment is Windows 10 Home Edition, where the default execution policy is restricted. This prevents scripts, which we now need, from running. I'm going to set my execution policy to remote signed, the default for Windows Server. Check that you also have an execution policy which allows scripts to run, preferably the least permissive policy suitable for your environment. You can follow the link in the prompt for more information on execution policies. Now we can import the module. Let's ensure that our environment is up to date. It is. If updates are needed, they can be installed with a few extra flags. Be sure to only use the auto reboot flag if now is a suitable time for a reboot. And we're done.